Hello everyone, this is my channel Vedura, and today this will be the first lesson for the series of MIT App Inventor. And in this series I'm going to tell you what is App Inventor and how can we do it, and I'm going to show you the blog section, the designer section. I'll show you the complete path. So let's begin. So in the beginning, basically this is the designer part, and this is the screen one. Later in the further projects I'll tell you how to add another screen and make a complete app, but right now we are working on this screen, the screen one. And I am also going to show you a basic project. I'm going to show you the designer blocks 2 and the designer 2 and the blocks part 2. So what we're going to do is when we press when we press the red color button, the blue color will appear, and when we click on the blue color button, red color will appear on the screen, the background of the screen. So these are the properties, and again, screen one is like screen one consists of the button. The button is inside the screen one, and these are the properties for the button one. We have the background color, then font, the bold. We have to we can change it to italic, then we can change the size. We can also change the height, width, images, shape, and then the text properties, like we can change the text color, we can change the text for button one, like we can make it MIT App Inventor. We can make it like this. We can change the alignment, like let's say center, so the text is in the center. Now for now we can make it red, and let's get like add another button. We can make it blue. We will let's name it blue only. Let's name this red only. The blue and red buttons, and we can also rename it over here, so that while coding it is easier in the block section. We can just go to the red one and code it, instead of coming back to the designer section and watching okay which one is button 2 and which one is button 1. So we can make this blue, and we can change this to red, and that is all for now for the designer section. Now basically what we have to do is, when blue dot click, like when the blue button will get clicked, the background color of the screen one should be changed. So we'll go in the screen one, we'll click on it, and then these are all types of blocks which will be further used in the other projects. And this is the which will be used for changing the background color. And we go to the color section. We have various sections, the control, logic, maths, like numbers, and then this is the text section, this is the list, dictionaries. We are going to for now use the color section. So when blue dot pressed, the color should change to red. Now we can duplicate it and save time. This will be the red one, and this will not be there. We are going to use the blue color, so we can take this one. And so that is all. We are done with the designer and the block section. Now to preview it on the app, what we have to do is, we have to go to connect the AI companion. We can also use a USB cable, like it's displayed over here, the USB cable and the AI companion. Right now I'm using the QR code. When you click on the AI companion, you can also use this code, or you can just scan it. So I'm scanning the QR code, and we are done. So
which we make on the computer or the laptops, we can just test it and connect it with the help of the scan QR code, or we can connect it with the code given on the computer screen. Now to download it, we can go to the App Store and just type the MIT App Inventor, and we can download the app from here. If you don't have an iPhone and you have an Android phone, then you can go to the Play Store and type the same thing and download it. Now when we go here, we have to connect the AI companion and use the scan QR code. This is how we can simply connect the scan QR with the help of scan QR code. And this is our project. When we click on blue, the screen will the background color of the screen will change to red, and when we are clicking on the red button, the background color screen will change to blue. And that is how we wanted the app to be made. And now what I want you to do is, I want you to make this app yourself by tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll show you how to make another app. So that will be all for today.